Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to deposit check in your Chime account. Okay, first you actually need the mobile banking app. Okay, go ahead and sign in, head to the menu, then you begin the deposit process. So you need to basically endorse your check and photograph both sides, the front and the back as well. Okay, sign your name on the back of the check, and you can also go ahead and write a restrictive endorsement under your signature, for example, for mobile deposit only. And then take a photo for both the front and back of the check. Okay, get a clear image like this. Make sure all the outlines are available. You make sure you place the check in the box they give you, then click a photo. Make sure everything is visible. Have a nice surface in the background, probably a darker surface. Do that for both, and then make sure the check amount is correct. There's a restrictive endorsement. Your account number is clearly visible. There's no misspellings. Do that, and then you just go ahead and submit. And what's going to happen, they'll send you a confirmation, right, that it is processing. And just hold on to your check until it actually clears. Okay, and once the mobile deposit goes through correctly, you can actually void the check and store it somewhere safe. You need to review your past transactions, but you will see it in the app as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.